Supports all 2.5 and 3.5-inch SATA drives. Connects via SuperSpeed USB 3.0, up to 10x as fast as USB 2.0. UASP, USB Attached SCSI Protocol, support for even faster performance. UASP requires UASP-capable host system. Serial ATA bus up to 6 Gbps per second signal bandwidth for fast storage backups. This docking station comes with a free download of Acronis True Image for SABRENT software for easy cloning. On/off power switch. LED light indicates power and activity status. Hot-swappable, plug-and-play, no drivers needed. Everse compatible with USB 1.1, USB 2.0. Ransfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second with USB 3.0. Transfer rates up to 480 megabits per second with USB 2.0. Available USB 3.0 for high-speed data transfer. Reverse compatible with USB 1.1, USB 2.0. Top reviews from the United States. An easy and cost-effective way to swap SATA disks. This is one of those products I should have bought years ago. After years of postponing to dispose my older SATA disks, including those SSDs with a SATA interface, I finally purchases this nifty product. Smile. Anyway, if you are like me and have older disks around that you wish to review one more time before getting rid of them, or simply want to expand your desktop storage in an easy way, consider this product, and I am certain you're going to love it as much as I do.